Hello, today we have a review of the Bayan audio docking station. Here is the docking station, one big speaker, one small speaker, and there is my iPhone 4. First of all, what you get in the box is speakers, the cable and a remote. The remote looks like this, pretty good. Got your volume, your treble and your bass all on it. You can use tablets or iPods, whatever you want. Yeah, well, here we go. There it is. Let's put sound check on.
The green guys,
Put the bass up.
Kush cakes, herb oils, listen to the track, bitch.
Smoking with the rest of, 'cause if it's in my drink, believe that it's the best smoke. I'm talking OG Kush from the West Coast. Watch how you hit it, just one hit up on your chest though. Cut those cameras on, 'cause my camera's on and my niggas backing me right around town with a big old.
Thank you, and that was the review of the Bayan audio system. Thank you, and sub and like please.